Hey everyone, if your Windows 11 update KB5066835 caused issues, like USB mouse and keyboard not working in the Windows recovery environment, don't worry. Microsoft has just released an emergency out-of-band update, KB5066835, to fix everything. In this video, I'll show you how to manually download and install KB5066835 step by step, even if it hasn't shown up in Windows Update yet. So let's get started. First, check for updates. If the KB5066835 update appears, great. Let Windows install it automatically, but if it doesn't show up, don't worry, you can still manually download and install it using Microsoft's official website. Open your web browser and go to www.catalog.update.microsoft.com. Once the page loads, click on the search bar. Now, type KB5066835 in the search box and press enter. You'll see a list of updates for different Windows 11 versions, like 24H2 and 25H2, and for both x64 and ARM64 system types. Make sure you download the correct one for your PC. If you're using a regular desktop or laptop, choose x64-based system. If you're on an ARM device like Surface Pro X, select ARM64. Click the download button next to your version, then click the blue link to start downloading the .msu file. Once the file is downloaded, double-click it to start the installation. Windows will verify and install the update automatically. This update will resolve all the issues from KB5066835, including the USB keyboard and mouse problem in recovery mode. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so others can fix their systems too. Stay tuned for more quick Windows tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.